From a legal perspective, there are a number of difficulties, and indeed those difficulties were part of the design of the detention facility at Guantanamo Bay. People were detained there because it was not United States territory, because it is still, although this sounds rather strange, still part of sovereign Cuban territory. The consequence of that is that ordinary American principles and laws relating to the circumstances in which an individual could be lawfully detained arguably did not apply. That was the stance adopted by the Bush administration throughout all of the Guantanamo litigation, ultimately rejected, but after a long legal battle. The second difficulty that's presented is that detainees captured in the War on Terror are not like, at one level, detainees captured in an ordinary war. One of the unsatisfactory and difficult things about the label War on Terror is that it brought into what was ordinarily a criminal jurisdiction labels applicable in wartime. But a different label was then invented. Men held at Guantanamo Bay were called enemy combatants, not prisoners of war, and that was done specifically to deprive them of the protection that the Geneva Conventions, written in the wake of the Second World War, would have given them. And so there would be that second legal issue as to what protections were owed to someone given the status enemy combatant. And both of those issues, sovereignty of territory and enemy combatant status, would be ones that would have to be fought out and fought out hard over many years of court battles. In each respect, the detainees would ultimately win, but only after a very long time.